how to fix Twitch not sending the verification code to your phone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the verification code coming through properly on Twitch. First, open Twitch on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Security and Privacy. From there, check that your phone number is correctly added and verified under the two-factor authentication section. After that, if your number is missing or incorrect, tap on Edit and update your phone number. In the next step, make sure you are entering the correct country code along with your number, and tap on Save. Once done, request a new verification code and check if it arrives this time. Following this, if the code is still not coming through, go to your default Messages app and check if the SMS was delivered but missed. From there, also check if the number sending the code has been blocked. Open your Messages app, tap on the three dots, and go to Blocked Numbers to check. At this stage, if the number is blocked, unblock it and request the code again. From here, if the code is still not arriving, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, as network issues can sometimes block SMS delivery. After this, go to your Android settings and tap on Apps. Search for Twitch and tap on it to open the app info page. Tap on Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Go back and tap on Force Stop and confirm. Reopen Twitch and try requesting the verification code again. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Twitch not sending the verification code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.